Play It channel has just started, and today we will have our first episode of the Vietnamese Life series. So what is essential in Vietnam, or what you can't miss when you come to Vietnam? It's coffee, right? Did you know Vietnam is the world's second largest producer of coffee, and it has a great opportunity to make an impact on global coffee culture? Today, I will show you how to make traditional Vietnamese iced coffee. Alright, let's go! For me, making Vietnamese coffee is like creating art. It's not too difficult, but it requires patience and passion in there. So first off, to make Vietnamese coffee, of course you need ground coffee. So the second tool that we need to make Vietnamese coffee is the coffee filter. And in Vietnamese, we call it phin. Last but not least, we use condensed milk to make the coffee sweet. It brings out the flavor. You know why we use condensed milk? Is because in the past, milk was very scarce and very expensive. That's why Vietnamese people substitute milk with the condensed milk so we can use it multiple times for our coffee. I usually rinse the fin filter and the cup with hot boiling water so that they can be preheat and clean. I use 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, but you can adjust it depending on your preference. Don't forget to take out the removable piece before adding the coffee. Measure 3 teaspoons of ground coffee and distribute it evenly into the filter. Place the coffee chamber on the filter plate and insert the removable piece back. Pour just a little bit of hot boiling water so the coffee can bloom. After 20 seconds, you can add more water, about 2/3 of the coffee filter. And don't forget to put the lid on. So the coffee is dripping. We just have to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll have a delicious cup of coffee. Okay guys, so it looks like it's done. Now I'm just gonna remove the lid, and be careful when you remove the lid, okay? Because it might be hot. Yep, it's done. And now I'm gonna use the spoon to mix it up. Hey guys, so here's the result. As you guys can see, it turns into a dark brown color mixed with condensed milk and strong and bold coffee. And the way I drink Vietnamese coffee is that I grab myself a cup of ice and then just pour over the hot coffee because I just want to enjoy it cold, but you can certainly drink it like this. It's pretty hot, so be careful. There you go. Cheers. Wow. I love the strong, sweet, and nutty flavor of the Robusta coffee. So delicious. In the coming future, I will show you more about Vietnamese coffee, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell so you won't miss your next episode. I'll see you soon. Bye!